How do you bring passion to your presentation? Passion does need to come from a genuine place. Yes, you can turn it up, you can bring in some skills, which I'm going to talk you through, but passion really does have to be genuine. If an audience thinks it's not genuine, they won't buy it. Passion is going to start from knowing your topic. You have got to know it inside out. You've got to have a genuine passion for it. If you are umming or erring or caveating or not quite sure where you're going to go from here, your passion dissipates. An audience just won't buy it. Doesn't matter how much eye contact you use or what language you choose, if your audience can tell that you do not know your topic, they will switch off. So make sure you know your topic. Make sure that you're well versed in the language. Make sure that you're well versed in what you want to say. Rehearsal is an important part of bringing the passion to your presentation. Now, in a future video, we'll talk about how you use your body, voice, eyes, etc. to bring passion. But I cannot overestimate or cannot overstate how important it is that you know your topic. If you are winging it, you're not going to have passion. If you haven't practiced it or rehearsed it, you're not going to have passion. An audience will spot it. So make sure you know it, make sure you've practiced it, and make sure you can deliver with utter confidence. And that will help you to bring the passion. If you want more tips about bringing passion to your presentations, make sure you like and subscribe.